As soon as all this is over, I will travel to the coast, mainly to Santa Marta. This is a trip that we planned a few years ago with all my family. After being there, we will arrive at the hotel and there we will leave our bags and going to the beach. The next day, we will look for the different tours what tourists offer to go to other beaches in Santa Marta. Right there, we will have lunch and enjoy the beach. After about 5 in the afternoon, we will return to the hotel and we will get ready to go for a walk in the night, and so on day by day until we have to return to Bogota again.